consistency is the key.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zoogs! Magandang araw sa inyo. Today is another day. Kami ngayon ni Andy ay on the way. Dito kami sa kotse at on the way kami papunta sa gym. Afternoon na ngayon, late kami nakapag-vlog. Ikwento ko lang sa inyo kung ano na yung mga natapos namin. Ang natapos na namin ay kumain. Nag-breakfast kami. Nagpag-grab lang si Andy ng food. Kumusta yung food mo, Daddy?
Yeah, it was actually pretty good. I had a karaage bun, which is something I had similar in Australia. Although I think it was parang pork ata, but yeah, it was really good. It tasted very, very similar, and karaage is one of my favorites. So
Palagi yan.
Put that in a bun. Woo, happy daddy.
Yes, tapos nagpag-grab na lang din kami ng coffee na walang sugar. And gusto ko lang mag-thank you kay Tita Terence of Cara Skin kasi pinadalan niya ako ng sinigang. So yan ang aking meal kanina, sinigang na baboy na maraming tangkay ng kangkong and fried chicken para sa mga bata. So ayan, meron kaming meal for today. Pero ang mga bata ay nagpunta sa dance kanina, si Lele. Hinatid siya ng kapatid kong si Ima. And then, nag-breakfast muna sila bago siya nagpunta doon. Tapos ngayon naman, bago kami pumunta dito sa gym, hinatid namin si Mimi sa mall. Kasama niya na si Lele. Tiniming talaga namin na matatapos na si Aliyah para, yun nga, si Mimi naman ay makasama sa kanila sa mall dahil weekend naman. Dahil matagal niya nang gusto talaga mag-mall. Eh diba kapag school, after school, nagpupunta kami ng mga errands namin about sa house stuff, kaya hindi namin nadadala sila. Sobrang busy lang. And yun, ngayon at least kasama niya sila Ima at saka si Yas, pamangkin ko, na mapupunta ng mall habang kami ni Andy ay syempre mag-workout dahil consistency is the key. And after this, hindi pa namin sure kung anong gagawin namin, but hindi kami masyado nagplano dahil bukas yan, maraming plano. Bukas kasi wala masyadong traffic eh. Doon namin nilagay yung iba namin gagawin. Pero eto na, ang gym workout ko ngayon, ano ba ako kahapon, I did shoulders. Try ko sigurong mag-back. Upper body pa rin, back. Tapos, ikaw babe, anong workout mo ngayon?
Back as well.
Ew. Sabay tayo mag-back.
Chest yesterday, so back today.
Back.
Just need to look for coffee in 1 hour or something. Kahit take out.
Yeah, antayin na lang kita sa car. I-take out mo yung coffee from upstairs.
That's what I'm thinking. Why you need another one?
No. Magsizip lang siguro ako sa'yo. Lahat tayo nadalang lalagyan ng tubig. Bili ka na lang bottled water dali. Para meron tayong sa gym. Nakalimutan naming magdala. Hinugasan ko kasi na kanina yung mga bottled water namin for a week. Basta ubusan kami ng tubig sa condo. So, hindi ko na siya nalagyan ng water. Bibili na lang kami mamaya ulit.
Wala kasing mini stop or anything like that. It's very unusual, no? Well, there is a...
Meron pero nagsara na. O hindi pa function.
No, it used to be there.
Wala na.
Was there last time?
Ayan, nandyan pa pero it's not yet open yet.
Closed.
The Family Mart is not yet
Always.
open. Oops, I'll call you back, guys. na kami kumain sa gym. Ay, sa gym. Tapos na kaming mag-gym at kumain kami dito sa UP Town. Gaya ng sabi ko sa inyo, imimit namin yung mga bata. Nag-ano sila, nag-time zone, nag-Kidzuna. Tapos dito na nag-lunch si Andy. Late lunch. Late lunch na yon kasi kailangan may protein kapag after niya mag-workout para mas effective. Kailangan pakainin ng muscles ng mga protein. And after that, syempre, we have to save some protein bars. Kasi usually sa taping, pag nagugutom ako, at least mga protein bar yung mga binili ko. Ito yung pwede kong kainin. Nag-time zone sila, nakakuha siya ng maraming mga candies at kinain niya. Kaya hyper. So, ito yung mga binili ko. Peanut butter flavor. Caramel fudge flavor. Zero sugar ito, guys. How's your Kidzuna?
Good. And I played, Lala Chan was there.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Nakita niyo?
At the time we arrived.
Oh, that's nice. Patapos na.
Tapos na. I hugged Lala Chan. I say bye, 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 bye.
Bye, Lala Chan. Si Lala Chan na yung paborito nila, ang mascot sa Kidzuna.
He's not mascot.
What is he?
She's, here in the car. She's not in the car. Bye! Bye, UP Town!
Bye! Ano nangyari? Nalaglag?
Yeah, nalaglag.
Galing ni Mimi magtagalog, no? Nalaglag. Ngayon, pauwi na kami, mga
No, we're
zoobs.
not.
Mimi thinks we're going out still.
We're going to UP Town.
Hindi na tayo, uuwi na tayo, babe. Pauwi na kami, mga zoobs, at magpapalit kami ng mga bed sheets.
No.
Dahil 1 week na kami dito sa condo.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog once again. So it was a nice, easy, breezy Saturday afternoon for us. We just took to the gym, and as you saw, Mimi was at UP Town with Ima and Yaz. So they had their fun there at Kidzuna, and also Aliyah had her dance, which is really good. So she's been going to that every Saturday, as you see. But we're in a good routine at the moment, so we're really happy about that. We needed to pop by Healthy Options because we needed some extra snacks, mostly on the protein side, because since we're just eating one meal a day, for the most part, we are lacking in protein because it's a little bit hard sometimes to get a big amount of protein every day. So we're trying our best with supplementing that with protein bars and stuff like that. So we needed to pick up some stuff there at the Healthy Options store. So yeah, we got what we needed, and Mummy will use that for her taping days and other days that we are low on food. But we did have a good meal there at Chibo. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. In Australia, kasi may Chibo din. We call it Chibo. I don't know if it's Cibo here, but anyway, correct me if I'm wrong. But we had a good day nonetheless. Big day tomorrow. So I hope you guys keep watching and have a great night. Thank you.